In this video, we introduce the NCS ColorPin and ColorPin app, and we'll take you through it step by step. Start by downloading the ColorPin app. First, you need to create an account or log in using your email address. Then, choose NCS default package. You can also add custom packages by scanning QR codes. Now, the app is ready to be connected to your ColorPin. Charge your ColorPin for at least 30 minutes before usage the first time. Step 1. Activate your Bluetooth on your phone. Step 2. Press Connect Device in the app. Step 3. Double-click the button on top of your ColorPin next to the charging port. It will start blinking blue when it's ready to connect. Step 4. Click on the serial number in the ColorPin app to connect to the phone. Step 5. Press Calibrate and make sure the lid is attached properly. You are now ready to start measuring and creating beautiful color schemes using your ColorPin. Put it on a flat surface and make sure the sensor is fully covered to get an accurate matching result. The matches will be rated from 1 to 5 stars, where 5 stars is the closest match. Press on the color to see the details like lightness value, RGB, CMYK, or to share that specific color. You can also save your colors to a folder. In the folder, you can save multiple colors and upload pictures to create a color scheme. The folder can be shared as image or link or exported as a CSV file with your clients or your friends. The ColorPin app can also help you compare colors. It means that if you have two objects with the same color, you can see how big the difference is between them, shown in delta E. The lower value of delta E means the smaller difference between the two objects. A fantastic feature with the ColorPin app is that you get access to the NCS system by using the navigator. Here you can easily navigate through all the different hues and their nuances. Beneath the color wheel, you can also find the neutral colors. For more information, please contact your local NCS shop.